In Simple is Best 9 today, I'm going to be filling up a 12 by 16 inch canvas with black paint. I'm going to be putting all of my colors into 1 cup and then pouring that on and making 1 puddle and then just leaving that go. So it just cannot get simpler than that, you guys. I have been inspired by this huge painting that I posted this week on, if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, you might have seen it. It has like a black background and 2 big tree ring pours, and I'm in love with it. And I'm using the leftovers from that painting. So like you can see them here. These are all the colors by Golden Acrylics. Now you can probably use another brand if you would like. The way I prepare my paints is with Liquitex pouring medium and GC 800. So let me set myself up here and I'm going for this. Alright, so I'm going to pour my colors in. Now I remember my blue getting lost in my other painting. So I'm going to pour it I'm going to put it at the bottom, giving it a chance to maybe pour last. And we know that white is very dense and seeps to the bottom. So there, it's going to kill my blue. I remember magenta, or this kind of purplish color, really taking over like crazy. I'm going to have way too much paint in here. I think I'm going to chill out with the other colors. All right, that's it. Okay. Now, the reason that I paint my sides is to help myself afterwards with the final result so that the sides are covered better, easier. It really, really helps to paint the sides. And plus, I find that the paint sticks better to it while drying. You don't see the canvas through. I've seen people spread the paint with a palette knife or whatever, but I just like it to be so smooth. I like it to be like untouched. So I have this metallic color that I used in my other painting, and I'm going to pour it first, and then I'm going to pour my other colors into it. Now, it would be just too awesome to have a perfectly centered like ending, but I mean, there's a chance in a million that that happens. So I'm going to purposely pour a bit to the side. And I like it when it's uncentered. All right, here we go. Now I know I have way too much paint here and it's going to fall off the sides for sure. So we'll just let it do that. I'm gonna save the let's make a painting with not too much paint and have it not run over for another video. All right, I have an idea. I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna re-pour some of this color with my dirty ass cup. I'm I'm gonna add some white into there because I still have some left over. Look how pretty that is. If you think I'm moving my hand purposely, I'm not. I'm just shaking. You can see the blue got lost. Not surprised. Oh, we have a bit. That's it. So let's hope my camera lasts long enough for you guys to see where this goes. Alright, you guys, so the temptation to tilt this is killing me. I mean, oh my gosh, like it's not leveled obviously because it kind of moved that way. And I didn't want to touch it, like I didn't want to try and level it because I did want it to fall off the sides somehow. But oh gosh, it's so hard. I am so tempted, you guys. I have to do something to like finish it off. So you know what I'm gonna do so it doesn't dry just like that? I'm just gonna help it to drip off there, just a tad, okay? I had to do something or else my overall look was weird. Boom, and that's it. Okay, obviously that's not it. Oh man, I wasn't able. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put it back like it was. There. So it still pretty much did it on its own. I did give it a little help there at the end or else it would have dried weird. But I mean, I poured one puddle and I just let it go. Super simple. I'm gonna let this dry and I am gonna show you the dried result. So I'm back with the dried result. It's looking kind of cool. That turquoise really seeped into the black, but there's that little line, which makes it kind of cool. All right, you guys, so I dare you to try this and not move it at all and be stronger than me. And if you're able to do that, just comment to me, Melly, I was able to be stronger than you. All right, bye guys.